explain two limitations of a BCD systems. Remember, BCD means binary coded decimal. BCD is binary coded decimal number system. So despite that they have advantages, they have several limitations when we use them in representing information in the computers. And some of the limitations include inefficiency in storage, whereby BCD requires more storage space compared to binary representation. So if you have to use BCD, you have to require more storage than it is for binary representation. Remember, BCD we represent each number in 4 bits, but in binary we use a bit which is either a 1 or a 0. Number 2 is limited range. In this, BCD has limited range of representable values. In BCD, each 4-bit group represents a decimal digit from 0 to 9. Therefore, a single BCD digit can only represent 10 different values. So in BCD, we have a limitation whereby we only represent from 0 to 9, which gives a total of 10 values. So beyond 9, in BCD, we regard the number as invalid. So that is a limitation of limited range. The other limitation is limited arithmetic operations, where BCD arithmetic operations are more complex and time consuming compared to binary arithmetic. So if you have to perform arithmetic such as addition, subtraction, and multiplication using BCD, it will take time because of the complexity. Then we have the limited precision, whereby the BCD suffers from limited precision when compared to binary representation. BCD is a fixed point representation system, meaning it can only represent a finite number of decimal places. So in terms of precision, it has a limited precision. Then the other one is complex conversion, whereby to convert between BCD and binary representation is complex and time consuming. So in BCD, we require what we call unpacking of each BCD digit and then converting it to binary equivalent. So you have to unpack the BCD, then you convert, which is a bit time consuming. So those are the limitations of BCD numbers or number systems.